Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen corner. So today's recipe is going to be a yummy bread. So who all are bread lovers? So this snack can be prepared for kids also. So now the ingredients I'm taking is bread, ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, coriander leaves, butter, and optional is ghee. So I will suggest you to use butter and chaat masala and tomatoes and salt to taste. Lemon. So the first step is I'm going to take ginger garlic paste. Here I have taken 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. So you can make this mixture and keep it so that you can apply it on the bread. So I'm going to add coriander leaves, tomatoes, here I have taken 2 tomatoes and cut them into pieces, chaat masala, lemon, lemon depends on the quantity how much you're going to mix it. So I'm going to add pepper for spice. You can even add chili if you need it. I feel pepper is fine. Salt to taste. So I'm going to mix all of them. So I'll take a pan now. I'll heat the pan. I'm going to add butter. It is to soften the bread. So when you apply the mixture, it's going to taste well. So you can make this recipe and pack it for your children, and also it is a diet food. So I'm going to add a bread. You can take a brown bread also. So I'm going to flip it over. So just evenly spread the mixture on the bread and then cook it well so that they stick to the bread well. So now the bread is ready. It is cooked well. So you can fold them and cut it into 4 pieces, and also you can serve them just like that. So you can add some sauce if it is necessary. I feel having only this will be very yummy. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.